let's take a look at how to complete Center 6NS1. So I'm going to go through the first one with you. So what we're doing is we're looking at what's actually happening when we're doing the division of the fractions. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, I need to get my pen out here. So we're looking at how many 3/4 are there in 1/2. And really when we look at it, that's what division is. We're looking at how many of these smaller pieces, or how many of these pieces are inside of this one. So like if I did 4, so how many groups of 2 are in 4? Okay, so that would be 4 divided by 2. So you're taking your 4, 2, 3, 4, and you're saying here's a group of 2 and here's a group of 2. So there are 2 groups of 2 inside of 4. All right, but now we're doing that with fractions, which becomes a little bit more complicated. So let's take a look at the first one. How many 3/4 are inside of 1/2? I want you to go ahead and write the division problem for that, because that will definitely help us out. So for this one then, that division problem would be 1 and 1/2 divided by 3/4. Oops. There we go, 3/4. So we're going to start by coloring in 1 and 1/2. So 1 and 1/2 would be this much. And then half of this one. And we know that it's half of this one because you can see the half down here below. All right, so then now we want to know how many 3/4 are inside of that. So I'm actually going to change my color. Make it blue. And I want to see how many 3/4 there are. So this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So there's 1, and then I'm going to change my color again. And then there's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So here's a group of 3/4, and here's a group of, oops, try that again. Here's a group of 3/4. All right, so you're not counting each of the fourths, you're counting each group of 3/4. So then now here, my answer to that question then would be that there are 2 groups of 3/4 in 1 and 1/2. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to do that for the rest of the problems. So you're going to need different colored pencils, all right, to help you out. And then here, so when you're doing the 2 and 1/2, one of the ways that you could do it is when you color it in, instead of coloring in the 1 and 1/2 for this first one, we know that, back to my red pen, we know that all of this right here is 1, and then this is 1/2, and that might make it a little bit easier for you.